Hey, look at this, Jeff.
Wow! That zoomed in right on him.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, well, that was special. Do it again, Tim.
Yeah, that was neat.
Did you get that, Jeff?
Oh, yeah.
Lower.
I like that.
I don't want to break the wheels off. Harder, Tim, harder. That didn't come out right.
Talking about that thing cutting through the air nice and clean and not wind not messing with it.
Wow.
That was a nice landing.
Do that again. Show us how you can do that again. I just barely caught it too. Wow.
See the wind hit me?
Yep. You sure it was the wind?
You're landing in the wrong direction, Tim.
I got that.
I don't want to miss it neither.
In front of us.
Look at that. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Grease it right in.
Pat yourself on the back. Can you reach back there?
A little higher, Tim, higher.
No, we always say lower.
Oh, I was talking about his scratch.
Oh, okay.
Or patch.
There it was. That was lower. You mean which one?
The OS that I showed you.
Oh!
Oh! It's a miracle!
It went out of sight up here. Then all of a sudden it showed up again.
Did it? But did you have it inside all the time, Doug? No. I didn't. I was going to say
All I
it.
did was pull up and throttle up. Power an elevator will get it back.
As long as the trees don't get it
Let
first.
that thing float.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. We can't. Yeah.
I need to get mine finished.
Get
Maybe by
what?
next year.
I missed
Get
it.
which one?
One of them.
What is it?
Escapade.
Escapade.
He's got one.
Escapade?
I have one. It's in my basement on the rack. It's got everything on it, in it. And just
Oh,
finished it
you
now.
got it assembled?
Yeah, it's all assembled. I got the motor.
This is the Chinese Fun Cub.
Carry that home. I got in trouble this morning.
That's Pepe. Wow.
Hemostat showed
What'd
up
you
in my
do to
toolbox. I got in trouble for that.
That came right off, didn't it?
Are you getting in a lot of trouble today?
I'm trying to stay out of trouble. Ain't working very well, is it? No.
Well, it's slowing down good today with the wind. This is that Chinese fun cup.
Yep.
Takes off pretty quick.
That's what I just was telling him.
It's a super cub with ailer on it, is what it is.
Yeah, pretty much. It's because it's the size of a Super Cub.
Yep, and that same kind of foam
Same
density.
styling too.
Yep. Yep.
Got ailerons and all.
Is that PPO on it? That foam?
I don't know. Somebody got their hands on the mold.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wait,
Left Chad, right Chad, up Chad. Oops!
Too late.
I didn't know you was upside down.
You gonna fly the wing today? Got something new planned?
No, I didn't even bring my laptop.
Oh.
After the last time I tried to fly Cumberland. I did buy one of those DVRs, but I didn't get it hooked up.
Yeah. You just gonna fly it around with the goggles?
Hey, look,
Yeah, I saw that.
They're gonna crash.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna hit each other.
Man, they are.
Even if you had like a one at
Yeah, yeah, it really
camping
is.
grounds.
Need to
Everybody got that American flag out there all the time.
Just come around and just right in front of us, Chad, real close to us, then just swing it right around you.
Behind it.
Real close to us.
And then head it right
Land on this red, land on this red ugly stick.
and then head it right straight out to the other. You can fly us.
Chad, land on this red ugly stick.
Look at that. The wind almost got you over it sideways. Yeah. Looks like that one year might have pulled over a little bit.
It was already sitting crooked.
Whoa! Oh! Eesh.
I know. Take a move, pal.
Is it touching something?
Yeah. Hitting a bad spot on the back edge of the. It's just a.
How Larry plays this every week, isn't it? They've got a problem, wait for us to run our batteries, and it comes up.
Yep. That's why he's called Killer One.
Tell you what, it's harder to hit a plane when there's more than two total of you up there.
Yeah.
You have to actually concentrate on what one you were going after.
Whoa! That would have been parts flying there.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, it did. That was good.
Or good.
Or really good. It would have cost some rebuild time, I'll tell you that.
And it would have been on video.
That's good. You get them close ones, or
Yeah.
we had all three close?
Yep.
That'll look neat. Oh, that was good. Can't believe as close as we've been. We haven't hit yet.
That's because I'm videoing. That's probably why.
Yeah.
Now it's time to hit Chad.
The plane or Chad?
Yeah.
Either way.
Ooh.
right in front of us. That was good. How'd you get ahead of him? Cut scene. Wow, that was close again. Oh, I thought it was closer to you. I saw shadows on the
I
planes.
did too. I'm out of battery. We're out of battery.
Get him, Jeff. Get him.
You'll have to hit me on the ground, Jeff.
Oh, shoot.